Hello, this is Mrs Lew. Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us look at this science question. Which of the following elements contains 24 neutrons in the nucleus of its atom? Okay, proton number will let us know the number of protons in an atom. Okay, mass number will tell us the number of protons and neutrons in the atom. Okay, to find the number of neutrons, we need to take the mass number minus the proton number. Okay, so to find the number of neutrons, okay, you will take 16 minus 8. So there will be 8. 24 minus 12. So there will be 12. 45 minus 21. So that will give us 24. Okay, and the last one, 52 minus 24. So that will give us 28. Okay, they want 24. So the answer is C, 24 neutrons in the atom. Okay, thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.